Welcome. Today we're tackling a frustrating issue, LinkedIn not showing videos on your PC. Don't worry, we'll walk through some simple steps to get those videos playing again. First, try the easiest solution. Close your browser completely and then reopen it. This can often resolve minor glitches that might be preventing videos from loading properly. If that doesn't work, and if the video was sent to you directly, ask the sender to resend it. There might have been an issue during the initial sending process. Next, refresh the LinkedIn web page. Look for the refresh icon, usually located at the top left of your browser, and give it a click. This forces the page to reload, potentially fixing any temporary loading errors. Now let's check your internet connection. Head to the notifications area on your computer, find the network icon, and click it. Make sure you're connected to your usual network and that everything appears to be working correctly. If you see any issues, try restarting your modem and router. Another common fix is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Click on the three dots at the top right of your browser to open the menu. From there, find the option to clear browsing data. In the new tab that opens, ensure all the options are checked and set the time range to all time. Then, click Delete Data. This removes temporary files that can sometimes interfere with video playback. If none of these steps have worked, sometimes simply restarting your computer can do the trick. Click the Windows icon, then the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn your computer back on by pressing the power button. If you are experiencing audio or video issues on LinkedIn Learning, try clearing the cache and cookies in your web browser, or logging out and logging back in. Also, make sure that any privacy software, security software, or browser add-ons aren't causing the problem. Some extensions, for example, AdBlock, may cause similar issues. If you're using VPN, test disabling it. LinkedIn supports various video file formats, including MP4, AVI, MKV, and more. The maximum file size is 5 GB. While LinkedIn supports uploading many video file types, a video in MP4 format and 30 frames per second is recommended by this platform. Hopefully, one of these solutions will get your LinkedIn videos up and running.